Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Amazon. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, that is your URL section. Type down amazon.com and enter it. And here we can see we just landed to the Amazon official homepage. And in the top right corner, that's a sign in option in the yellow font right over here. Click over here that says sign in and you'll get into an interface like this where you are required with your email or mobile phone number, whichever you prefer. And after that, you can click over here that says continue. But if you have not enrolled your account or registered, you can simply click over here that says create your Amazon account in order to create an account. So click over here and you are also required with your password. And if you have forgotten your password, click this option that says forgot your password in order to recover or reset your password and then click over here that says sign in and then you'll be successfully logged into your Amazon account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.